We're doing TikTok full time. Wow, thanks. Woo! So annoying. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I said this, and I really have a lot to catch up with on you guys. Huh? So I'm just getting ready for a shoot that I'm doing for my Instagram, and I thought I'll get ready with you guys on camera and also talk about so much that I have been wanting to talk to you guys about. So let's get started. Okay, so I have moisturized and primed my face, so that's why it's looking pretty evened out. So I'm gonna straight away jump into foundation. Should I just put my hair behind or something? Okay, set. Okay, I'm gonna just change this hairstyle, although I look like a champu idiot right now.
1 bazillion years later.
So guys, I have a lot to talk to you all about, and I haven't really done this sit down and talking kind of a video in forever. In fact, let's be real, I have not been regular on YouTube. I have not been creating as much content as I would have loved to create. So this is firstly going to be an apology to all you guys who have subscribed to me, all 2,09,000 of you, and I literally can see how my subscriber base has stagnated, जिसका मतलब है कि पिछले पता नहीं कितने महीनों से मेरा subscriber base 2,09,000 पे ही stuck है, and that's only and only because I've not been uploading consistently. And YouTube is not the kind of platform कि आप 3-4 महीने 5 महीने सो के फिर जागो और एकदम से आपके subscribers बढ़ने लग जाएंगे. You have to give it time and consistency and effort. So for any new YouTuber who's watching this and is losing the consistency, don't do it. It can be really harmful for your channel. I reached 2 lakh subscribers in I think a year, and since the last 2 to 3 years it's been stuck there because I haven't been consistent. And since 2020 आधा अब खत्म हो चुका है. Today is 1st July 2020 that I'm recording this video on. So it's like sort of a resolution for me कि मैं आज ये वीडियो इसलिए बना रही हूँ because it's sort of this promise that I'm making to myself that for the rest of 2020 I'm not going to be taking things so lightly and so casually, and I am going to be regular on YouTube. Pray for me, hope for the best. Please show me support whenever I upload a video, and I will try my best to do at least 2 videos a week. I know it's sounding crazy. You guys will be like, महीने में एक वीडियो डालती है, now suddenly she wants to do like 2 videos a week. It's like being over ambitious. But guys, I have to be over ambitious if I need to resume and revive my channel back into what it used to be and how active everyone was. So here's hoping for the best. Talking about 2020, guys, as you all know, it's been almost a month since I have moved to this house. This is my new apartment. Yeah, you guys know about it. If you haven't checked out my empty house tour, check out my latest YouTube video, like the last one before this, and you will know that I have moved into my own apartment, and honestly I'm loving it. But what I'm not loving is the fact that मैंने सोचा था कि मैं इतना content बनाऊंगी इस नए घर में, इतना content बनाऊंगी कि you know everything is going to get back on track. But you know, sometimes we just set these unrealistic expectations with ourselves, because obviously घर के साथ साथ इतनी सारी चीजें होती हैं which you have to deal with, which you have to manage, and you know you have to get used to. Initially I didn't even have a cook or you know domestic help, so I had to do everything on my own. So like with all of that, doing Instagram and TikTok, which I used to do, we'll come to that later, it just didn't seem possible for me to do YouTube. So that's why I wasn't able to do it. And then you know I just end up feeling really disappointed and upset with myself कि हाँ नितिबा तूने अपने आप को promise तो किया था, and then you know you just always make these promises to yourself and you don't live up to them. So what's the point of even telling your audience all of this? They'll always be thinking कि you know what Nitiba, just stop it dude, like when you'll be consistent na, then you tell us about it. So I want to tell you guys because I want to be accountable. I want you guys to be a part of this journey where I'm also trying to, you know, like better myself, improve myself. And 2020 has been so difficult for all of us that self-improvement is out of the block. You know, right now survival is what everyone is thinking about, कि हम बस बच जाएं साल, जिंदा रहें, survive करें, सेहतमंद, healthy रहें, सेहतमंद. Wow. So for foundation, I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This is what the foundation looks like. This is in the shade Pure Beige. And for concealer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Multi-Use Concealer. Shade fair. So yeah, I am deciding that since half of 2020 is over, what's gone is gone. Let's start afresh. Let's do it. Let's kill it. It's never too late to start. Somebody who's watching this video and wants to start the YouTube journey, YouTube career, YouTube channel, whatever, do it now. Now or never. Starting the video on that note, and iske alawa, I have a lot to share with you guys, you know, like, because I feel like I've lost that touch. Honestly, मुझे ऐसा लगता है I've lost that touch, you know, where I've stopped interacting with you guys on this platform, you know, on Insta stories I do. If you guys follow me there, then you know that I update you with everything that's happening in my life. But some of you do not follow Insta stories or Instagram as much as you follow YouTube. And for those people, I feel like I've really lost connect. And it just feels sad to me, guys. 2 लाख लोग बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. I have a YouTube silver play button जो मुझे पता नहीं कितने साल पहले मिल गया था. I should have been having my gold button, my diamond button by now. But anyway, we are gonna get out of that state of mind and we're gonna think positive, and yes, we're gonna do it. We're gonna kill it. And I'm sorry for anyone who felt like they couldn't connect with me anymore on YouTube because I was just not posting anything. Promising you that you will see so much more content coming your way. And honestly, you know, one of the reasons why I couldn't come up with content on YouTube was because I overthink kar rahi thi is cheez ko, YouTube ko. You know, I was just thinking, oh, I need to have an amazing concept, I need to have an amazing challenge video, I need to have an amazing this, amazing that. Us amazing ke dhoondne ke chakkar mein main kuch bhi nahi kar pai, and that is something that I'm feeling really upset about because I feel like I wasted so much time. I could have just come here, done my makeup on camera with you guys, which is something I know all of you love. You love my travel vlogs. I know you love my makeup videos. You know, sometimes I stress myself so much that I need to be perfect. The content needs to be freaking amazing. Breathe. That I end up not posting, which makes no sense. So, long story short, long story. 10 minutes ho gaye bolte bolte. Long story short, I'm setting my face with my MAC Studio Fix compact foundation. This is in the shade NC35, and I'm just going to lightly powder my face with this, and I'm using this Real Techniques buffing brush. This is like so freaking old. This is ancient, this brush, but it has lasted me till today. It has not left my saath. Wow, I'm so weird. What is that sound? जिस दिन वीडियो शूट करना था उसी दिन क्यों होता है ये सब? क्यों? So let's move on to other topics. Okay, house, you guys know I've moved in. It's been a month. You will see that most of the stuff is the same. There is nothing new that I've added in the living room. That is because I have been in touch with an interior designer, Akriti Kaul. She's the best, and she is helping me do the entire place up. So all of the stuff is suddenly going to come in and you're going to suddenly see the house transform. So I'm really excited about that. And even the living room is going to get set up real soon. So I'm going to just do the brows and BRB. Alrighty, my brows are on fleek. I absolutely love how brows just like change the definition of your face. And I'm just going to apply very light coating of eyeshadow because I'm also shooting an Instagram video in which I'm going to be doing like these 2-3 90s trends. So like colored eyeliner, how it's trending all of a sudden, and that hairstyle with the center part and like those lattes and those square sunglasses. So I'm going to be doing that trend. So I'll be applying the eyeliner off camera. Nykaa Just Wink It palette. It's in the shade Double Chocolate Chip. It is a very neutral palette. It has like a bunch of neutral colors. So I'm going to probably be using this and this one on the entire lid. So yeah, apart from that, in my personal life, honestly, the last week has been really bad. Like in fact the whole of June was pretty shitty, both in terms of work. I mean, because of course of the lockdown and everything, brands have not been able to like spare budgets for marketing and influencer marketing. Although surprisingly March, April, May were pretty decent. June was really bad for me personally. So I feel like work's gonna pick up now. Personally, in June I went through a love life drama. I'm not going to be talking in detail about it because I respect myself and the other person's privacy when it comes to my relationships, and I don't like to talk about it on social media, and I hope that you guys will understand my point of view there, because some things you just need to keep private, guys. Things got complicated, and basically I was just really upset until yesterday, which is when I decided that Nitaba, now enough of Rona Dhona, enough of all this drama in your life. Get up, girl. You're strong. You can do this, and you are going to overcome whatever is happening in your life right now because you are strong. And honestly, because I've been living alone, it just becomes a little harder for me to sort of you know, distract myself, because I'm all the time with my own self, with my own thoughts. So it just becomes harder to deal with anything that's not going according to your plan. So that's why I was like really upset till yesterday. But then today I was like, listen girl, I'm gonna pick up my G7X, the camera that I'm vlogging on, and I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna sit and talk and vent my heart out to my YouTube audience and tell them that I love them, that I miss them, and I miss myself on this platform. I know I'm getting very like emotional and stuff now, but yeah, I really thought about it, and I was like, get your act together, girl. Just being an eyebrow freak and just filling up my eyebrows a little bit more with a dark brown color from the palette. Eyeshadow is done, eyebrows are done. I'm gonna be doing my liner off camera, so give me a second for that and I'll be back. Guys, I did a very dumb thing. So I had to shoot the introduction of Instagram without any eyeliner on. But like a genius, I did my eyeliner first. So now I'm taking it off. Wow, so annoying. I hate taking off makeup. Like, I'm gonna apply a bright concealer here to quickly cover up my eyes without making them look like somebody hit me in the face. Yeah, I think it worked. And what else? House stuff is happening. I'm finding it difficult to stay alone, especially on days when I'm feeling low, but on days when I'm like super productive and motivated, like today, I just like love being alone because it gives me like that focus time, that zen time. And what else is up, you guys? So I'm gonna do the rest of the face now, quickly, and I'm also going to wrap up this video soon enough because I cannot take forever. I'm gonna be using this really gorgeous pink lipstick. It's called Daydreaming. It's by Nykaa on my lips because I'm just feeling like very empty. And I'm gonna smudge it with my fingers. That's my favorite thing to do these days. You know, everything nowadays is like very subtle. I'm gonna take whatever is left on my fingers directly on my cheeks, though I am going to go in with blush right now, but I thought I'll just apply a little bit here. I'm just gonna do the eyeshadow part again. And what else is up, guys? How's lockdown treating you all? How are you guys feeling? You know, it's been so long now. I feel like me and all my friends are reaching like, you know, this boiling point where like sabke dimag kharab ho rahe hain ab, you know, like nobody is remaining sane anymore because everyone is just like so frustrated ki yaar ab kab khatam hoga. There seems to be no end to this. Like, imagine 59 Chinese apps have been banned. It took me at least 2 hours to just process this news that there is going to be no more TikTok, and that is such a big deal because so many creators you know, were doing TikTok full time. Wow, thanks, beautiful. That's all I needed right now. Thank God you shut up. So many creators, you know, rely on TikTok as their daily source of income, and that's just extremely sad. And even I had like almost 100,000 followers on TikTok. So for me also personally, I feel like it's a big loss, considering it gave me a new platform to engage with you guys. And yeah, it's going to be tough. I had ordered stuff from Shein which never reached me because of course of the thing, and I don't know, I've already paid for it, so I don't even know if that stuff is ever going to reach me or not. But you know, honestly, that's the last of my concerns right now because there are such bigger problems in the world going on. Okay guys, I'm just gonna add this nude lipstick called Pastel Nude Lipstick by a local brand from Kuala Lumpur. Just to give my lips a bit of a nude definition. And I definitely want to do gloss on top of this. So I'm using this Kiko gloss. This is the 3D Hydra lip gloss in the shade Brilliant A Liveris. Oh sorry, the shade is 22. I don't know what I was reading. So stunning gloss. And just a little bit. So I have a nice pink lip, and now I'm gonna really hurry the F up, guys, because I have no time on me. I'm using the MAC Flow Power blush in the powder blush. It's a beautiful pink blush. I lost the lid, that's why it's like lying around like this. So, woo! Easy tiger, easy. Also, one thing that I have really been doing regularly and has been keeping me like pretty sane and you know, mentally stable and controlled, and that is yoga. Guys, whoever is on YouTube and loves to follow YouTube you know, videos for working out, go and check out Yoga with Adriene or Yoga by Adriene, whoever. It's either of the two. She is amazing, and I've been following her for religiously for the last 3 months, and I wish I could show you my tummy right now. It's gone in, like it's become flat, like I've reached closer to my body goal just by doing Adriene so regularly. I'm going to be using the Nykaa Glow Gold Shimmer Brick in the shade Want It All. You know what, I'm actually going to finish this video here and then do the eye stuff, because if I do both of them together, then it's just going to be like a big mess. I'm going to take this fan brush and I'm going to just lightly dust it all over, and I'm just going to add that highlighter. Can you see it? Can you see that glow popping, bitches? So I love me a pink glow moment. I absolutely love highlighters with like a pink tinge in them. So they just look stunning. I'm going to take a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin, and then a little bit on my shoulder glow points is what I like to call them, and a little bit on my forehead. And yep, I'm just going to go in with mascara and bronzer next, and I'm going to just like loosen up my hair a little, guys. Like that champu center parting sometimes just doesn't go with the vibe, you know. My hair has also been like in a real bad condition, and I've been going to Dr. Dadu also for my hair, but well, let's see. We got something done. I can't find a bronzer. Okay, there you go. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Bronzer Pro Contour with a highlight in it as well. So just taking a very light coating of it on my cheekbones and on my nose, on the edges of my nose, just to give it some definition. Do you see that? Do you see how it just slims the nose down like that, like instantly? It's magic, guys. Contouring and bronzing is magic. I mean, I'm having so much fun just doing makeup and talking about it to you guys. Like, please let me know in the comment section below, everyone, what kind of content would you guys like me to see, because I know lockdown and pandemic ke chakkar mein everyone's preferences and moods have changed so drastically that maybe what you liked to see on my channel earlier, you will not like to see anymore. So but I would really want you guys to give me like an honest opinion about what content would you like me to create, and if it's something that I haven't been creating in the past, then that's totally fine. I'm happy to do something absolutely new for you guys. I'm using the K by Katrina mascara. I love this one. This is in the shade Midnight. It's a pure black mascara. I don't have time to curl my lashes, but I will nevertheless do it. And I think I need a closer mirror to do my mascara. Guys, I have rediscovered the love for natural lashes after getting lash extensions. Like, my experience honestly was not so great, because I found them constantly like irritating my eyes, and like I felt like there was something that I needed to get rid of. Like, it feels natural, and you don't feel like, it doesn't irritate you, it doesn't feel heavy and stuff, but it's still something foreign on your eyelashes, which you just feel like, you know, it's like that feeling when you have mascara left over from the night before and you just want to like get rid of it, and you can't because it's like stuck, and then slowly one karke the lashes fall off, and the process is so slow. See the difference? And there you go. I am pretty much done with my makeup for today, guys. I will try and add a picture or a video snippet of that Instagram clip that I keep talking about in this video here, so you guys can have a look as to what exactly I was doing and how I will eventually be looking, so you guys have a good idea at what the makeup and hair is finally going to look like. And it was so much fun catching up with you guys. It feels nice to finally open up and share with you guys very honestly what I've been going through and what I've been feeling about my YouTube journey and about my personal life and about how I want to make the rest of 2020 the most epic 6 months ever. And I promise you guys that I will not let you down, and I really want each one of you watching this video, whoever needs that little bit of motivation, little bit of inspiration to just start and just to forget how bad the first half of 2020 has been, and just needs that push to like start something new, chase those dreams, attain those goals, then this is your reminder, this is your wake-up call. And yeah, it's giving me goosebumps as I say this. Thank you so much for being a part of my subscriber family and for not giving up on me. I promise I will make you proud. Do show this video some love. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments and video suggestions down below. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.